over 25 years, one engine has defined the middleweight category. It has earned a reputation for being bulletproof, character-rich, and undeniably fun. That engine is Suzuki's legendary 645cc V-twin. But today, the legend evolves. Welcome back to the channel. Suzuki has just unveiled a brand new motorcycle that blends the soul of the SV-650 with the versatility of a modern sport adventure tourer. This is the 2026 Suzuki SV-7GX. Styled in the image of its big brother, the GSX-S 1000GX, this new machine is designed to be the ultimate crossover. It combines a 17-inch on-road wheel setup for agile handling with an upright riding position for all-day comfort. Whether you are stepping up to your first big bike or you are a veteran rider looking for a lighter, more agile machine, the SV-7GX promises to broaden every riding experience with each pulse of its V-twin heartbeat. Let's dive deep into the specs, the tech, and why this might just be the most important bike Suzuki has released in years. At the heart of the SV-7GX is that iconic 645cc 90-degree DOHC V-twin engine. Now, I know what you're thinking. It's the same old engine. But Suzuki has refined this power plant significantly for 2026. It is now fully Euro 5 plus compliant, producing 73 horsepower or 53 kilowatts and 64 newton-meters of torque. The beauty of this engine is its uneven firing interval. It creates a distinctive V-twin pulse that inline twins just can't replicate. It pulls smoothly from low revs, surges through the mid-range, and loves to rev high. For the SV-7GX, Suzuki has introduced a new intake system with a downdraft layout. This positions the airbox directly under the fuel tank, freeing up space for a slimmer seat and a lower ride height. They've also tuned the 2-in-1 exhaust system. It features a new satin buff finish that looks premium, and it's tuned to deliver a resonant growl under load while keeping things civilized at cruising speeds. Plus, with SCEM cylinder plating and dual iridium spark plugs, this engine retains the bulletproof reliability Suzuki is famous for. But the biggest leap forward for this platform is the electronics. The SV-7GX comes equipped with the Suzuki Intelligent Ride System, SIRS. Thanks to a new ride-by-wire throttle, you now get features that were previously reserved for the flagship models. First, the Suzuki Drive Mode Selector, SDMS. You have 3 modes. Mode A, active, sharp, aggressive throttle response for sport riding. Mode B, basic, balanced for everyday commuting. Mode C, comfort, softer delivery, perfect for rain or newer riders. You also get Suzuki Traction Control, STCS, with 3 levels plus off, giving you peace of mind in slippery conditions. And here is the game changer. A bi-directional quickshifter comes standard. This allows for clutchless upshifts and downshifts, making spirited riding incredibly fun and reducing fatigue in city traffic. Of course, you still get Suzuki's Easy Start system and low RPM assist to make taking off from a stop impossible to stall. Wrapping around that engine is a lightweight steel trellis frame. It delivers balanced rigidity and a slim profile. The suspension is handled by 41mm KYB telescopic forks up front with a generous 125mm of stroke. In the rear, a link-type monoshock offers 7-step preload adjustability. The tuning here is crossover-specific, slightly softer than a pure sport bike to absorb urban potholes, but stiff enough for stability on the highway. Rolling stock is pure road-focused. You get 17-inch cast aluminum wheels with a stylish 10-spoke design. These are wrapped in Pirelli Angel GT2 sport touring tires, 120/70ths up front and 160/60ths in the rear. This setup ensures responsive, street-oriented handling that distinguishes the SV-7GX from the more off-road-focused V-Strom. Stopping power comes from dual 290mm floating discs with 4-piston Tokiko calipers and standard ABS. Ergonomics are where the crossover concept truly shines. The riding position is upright and commanding. The tapered aluminum handlebars are wider and positioned closer to the rider than on the SV-650, reducing fatigue on long rides. The seat height is a very approachable 795 millimeters, and thanks to the slim V-twin engine, reaching the ground is easy for riders of all sizes. Visually, the bike is striking. It features a wind tunnel-tested half cowl inspired by the GSX S-1000GX. You get a 3-position adjustable windscreen to manage airflow, and integrated knuckle covers as standard to protect your hands from wind and debris. The dual-function LED projector headlight creates a sharp, modern face, flanked by LED position lights that give it a distinct eyes look. In the cockpit, you'll find a 5-inch full-color TFT display. It's crisp, easy to read, and features Suzuki Ride Connect Plus. By pairing your smartphone, you can access turn-by-turn navigation, notifications, and ride data directly on the screen. There's even a USB-C port right next to the dash to keep your devices charged. Practicality hasn't been overlooked either. The bike comes with a standard rear carrier with integrated grab rails, ready for a top box. The fuel tank holds 17.4 liters, giving you plenty of range for weekend touring. The 2026 Suzuki SV-7GX is more than just a new model. It's a new standard. It takes everything we love about the SV-650, the character, the reliability, the fun, and wraps it in a package that is more comfortable, more versatile, and smarter than ever before. It's accessible for beginners, yet engaging enough for veterans. It is, quite simply, the V-twin legend reborn. What do you think of Suzuki's new crossover? Is this the perfect middleweight do-it-all bike? Thanks for watching, ride safe, and I'll see you on the next adventure.